Today, we will be diving into Tap2Pay, what it is, what features can it bring in your company, and should it be your preference. Hey, what's up? My name is Shivam, and before getting to the video, if at any point you would like to check it out, then you can do so from the description below. Starting with what Tap2Pay is, but let me clear first. It's not an actual payment gateway itself. Rather, it's an integration which offers its payment shortcuts to your consumers using existing gateways. Basically, an alternative of human skills inside of a computer. So is it still worth investing in your business? Yes and no. Be with me as I will be discussing it now. Before that, let's look at the features it offers. The UI is kept simple and sober to keep it smooth and lightweight. Now the main task, it provides integration support for a whole lot of, or should I say, nearly all major PGs, including Apple Pay and Google Pay. For the list of companies it supports, you can have a look. Here you can see Stripe and PayPal as well. So there are a good number of options, isn't it? Third feature it offers is that you can view your analytics of payments collection, payment failures, mode of payments, etc. Not just that, you can also view a customer's detail with its invoicing and payments history. From the orders section, you can either export the whole data for calculations or even initiate refunds from here itself. You can also have your custom template set for invoice mailing. Integration of chatbots, Facebook Pixel, etc. can be done with Shopify account. It's already a lot to gulp down, but now its advantages in brief. It's good that they provide integration with major payment gateways. The one-tap payment feature for Telegram, Facebook and Viber is what makes it nice to have, undoubtedly. Support for chatbots is something of good value as well. Their inline chat widget is also something I would promote as it reduces checkout hassle. Enough. Now it's time for disadvantages. Straightforward first point. It's pricing. Although it's a good system that can potentially increase your sales and revenue, but it asks additionally 2% other than the usual PG charges. This means in cases your margin gets reduced by 7%. Also, most of the support PGs are already infamous for high charges and are costly. So this is where they should work on. Another point is that most of its features can be found in payment gateways itself, such as analytics. That's why additional 2% doesn't seem worth it in this simple case. Should only be your option after looking at what you are paying for. Even after the additional 2% charge, Tap2Pay asks for more payment for its pro features, which is the real point of this service. This means the whole freemium model is just for namesake. I don't feel other pros and cons should matter much after these four major points. Let's have a look at the pricing now. First, we see a pay-as-we-go plan. That is 2% per transaction with PG fees additional. Lets you collect payments on website, in messages and other social networks, provides analytics, email notifications. Second is the premium model. It starts with $49 and may go up as well. Have a look at its feature on screen. Then comes the white label, or should I call a business plan, which is of course customizable and is integrable with your CRM and billing systems. In conclusion, if your payments collection is for service and you take this heavy toll on your profit margins, then you should go with the service. Otherwise, it's a big no. That's it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Again, if you would like to check it out, then you can do so from the description below. But that's it from my side. Hope you guys found this video helpful. Like, share, subscribe. Stay safe. Bye-bye.